Hello everyone, my name is Yakara.
And I'm Barney's Today
we're going to be talking about artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence are machines that think and learn like humans.
Virtual assistants, for example, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant.
There are three types of artificial intelligence. The narrow AI, also known as weak AI.
Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant.
General AI, also known as strong AI.
Human-like intelligence can learn and apply knowledge across tasks.
Super AI, also known as extreme AI.
AI that surpasses human intelligence, potentially transformative or risky.
AI in industries.
Healthcare, diagnosis, treatment and research, finance, trading, fraud detection and banking, transportation, self-driving cars and navigation. What is the future of AI?
Increased automation and efficiency, new opportunities and challenges, improved decision making.
The history of AI.
The history of AI, it all started in the 1950s with Alan Turing's computing, machinery, and intelligence test, which proposed the Turing test.
The Dartmouth Summer Project in the 1956, which marked the birth of AI as a field. Early AI focused on rule-based systems, but the 1980s saw a shift to expert systems and machine learning. AI is dominated by deep learnings and applications, like virtual assistants and self-driving cars.
AI in space exploration. It's used for autonomous navigations and predicting space weather, analyzing vast satellite data and even helping roles like NASA's Curiosity and mutated decisions.
AI environmental conservation, wildlife monitoring for tracking endangered species, deforestation detection for pinpointing illegal logging, climate modeling for predicting climate logging patterns, pollution tracking to identify pollution sources. The ethics of AI surveillance, privacy, bias, transparency, and accountability.
The dark side of AI social media. Misinformation and disinformation.
AI generated can spread false information.
Bias and discrimination.
AI can be unfair and executing to social inequalities.
Surveillance and control.
AI-powered surveillance can erode privacy and freedom of expression.
Manipulation and exploitation.
AI can be used to manipulate users' emotions and behaviors. AI every year inventions and improvements.
1956, Dartmouth Conference, birth of AI. 1966, Eliza chatbot simulates conversations. 1997, IBM's Deep Blue beats chess champion Gary Kasparov. 2011, Siri launches, AI goes mainstream. 2014, Alexa launches, voice AI gets smart.
2016, AlphaGo beats champion C. Lidl. 2020, GPT-3 released, language models go wild. 2022, ChatGPT launches, AI gets conversational. 2023, Llama models emerge, open source AI kicks off.
AI throughout the years of improvements. 1950s to the 1960s, the birth of AI.
Alan Turing's computing, machinery, and intelligence. The Dartmouth Conference in the 1956. Early AI focused on problem solving and gameplay. The 1970s to the 1980s, expert systems.
AI ventured due to limitations. a rise of expert systems and knowledge representation, Polagan list programming languages, 1990s to the 2000s, machine learning.
AI revival with machine learnings, focused on data-driven approaches, support vector machines and decision trees. 2010s, deep learning's revolutions.
Breakthroughs in neural networks, ImageNet and deep learning successes, applications in computer vision and NPL. 2020s, AI is everything.
Transformers and language models like BERT and GPT, AI in healthcare, finance and more, edge AI and real-time applications.
Conclusion. At the end of the day, AI might have good or bad sides.
Some people, including us, will still use it, whether it's
for work or personal use, for gaming or creating games,
for homeworks or projects, for learning or asking questions. Thank you all for listening. Hope you all had a great time, and this is the end of our presentation.
if you have any questions, you can ask ChatGPT later. Thank you.